In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating and using this popular cloud storage service like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, the initial step you need to take is to download and install Dropbox on your PC. To do this, head over to the official Dropbox website, and you should find an option to download the application for your computer. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install Dropbox. It's a straightforward process, and in just a few minutes, you'll have Dropbox ready to go on your machine. If you're worried about space, rest assured that Dropbox doesn't take up much room on your computer. Now that you've got Dropbox installed, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. You'll need your Dropbox account credentials for this. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the prompts to register. Once you're signed in, Dropbox is connected and ready to operate. With Dropbox installed and your account authenticated, the next step is to open the Dropbox folder on your computer. This folder operates just like any other folder on your computer, but with the special power of Dropbox's cloud. You'll usually find this folder easily accessible from your desktop or file explorer. To start syncing files, simply drag and drop files or folders into your Dropbox folder. What's fantastic about Dropbox is the simplicity this action offers. Just pick up your files and move them into the Dropbox folder. It's that easy. The files will then begin to sync, meaning they'll be uploaded to your Dropbox cloud and accessible from other devices where you're logged into your account. The larger the file, the longer it might take to upload. But Dropbox does a great job of keeping things efficient. Once your files are in Dropbox, sharing them with others is a breeze. Simply right-click on the file you want to share and select the Share option. Dropbox will then guide you through sending the file to friends, colleagues, or anyone else who needs access. Remember, sharing is one of Dropbox's best features, especially for collaboration. So take advantage of it. Finally, one of the most convenient features of Dropbox is that any changes you make within this folder are automatically synced across all your connected devices. Whether you're adding new files, deleting old ones, or editing documents, all changes are seamlessly updated everywhere you access Dropbox. It's like having a digital assistant, making sure everything's in order, no matter where you are. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting started with Dropbox. It's a powerful tool that, with just a few simple steps, can make file management and collaboration incredibly efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy Dropboxing!